Welcome back to the second day here in this new week. I thank you guys for rocking with me and subscribing to the channel. We're over 305 subscribers now. If we can get to 400 subscribers um, in the next 2 months, that would be great. But other than that, I wanted to talk to you guys about some new mobile app that you can download from the Play Store. This one is called ProductTube. So basically, you can create short videos from the comfort of your home and share your different online recipes, or you can record your videos from at home, in store, or in a virtual reality, and you will get paid for it. So a lot of people have been doing this just to make ends meet, but it's really well time spent, and you can get as much money as you can, so you can turn your time spent shopping into earning additional dollars. You can do it on the Apple Store, on the Play Store, and so basically it's in 32 countries. um, it's been downloaded over 1 million times, and you can earn money while you shop. So what is ProductTube is a premium video survey app that rewards its users for making short videos about everyday products. Users record short videos, typically less than 5 minutes, using their mobile phone. These videos are then used for market research purposes to guide product manufacturers to meet consumer needs better. So get ready to earn. Again, you can go into the Google Play Store, quick install on your device. And these are just a little bit of features. You can sign up to receive your first project. You can see this person made $300 by doing different activities. It's really straightforward. Just set up your profile. Put as much information as you can about yourself into it. That way, so you get selected for different projects. But it's really straightforward. It's really not that complicated. It's a really good app that I have used, and I have gotten paid from it. You probably won't get rich off of it, but you can make a good, honest living from it if you work really hard on it. Then I have another one called Amazon Shopper Panel, and so basically you are getting paid to review different products, different Amazon products. So join the Amazon Shopper Panel to earn monthly rewards. $15 to $75 per month. Um, so you're helping brands offer better products and make Amazon ads more relevant. So it's just, and then they give you a little bit more information about that. So the Amazon Shopper Panel is an opt-in, invitation-only program where participants can earn monthly rewards by sharing receipts from purchases made outside of Amazon.com, completing short surveys, and enabling and ad verification for ads that they see from Amazon's own advertising or third-party businesses that advertise through Amazon ads. Earning ads is easy. Simply upload eligible receipts every month by using the Amazon Shopper Panel app to take pictures of paper towel receipts, or by forwarding email receipts to receipts@panel.amazon.com, and you'll earn $10 towards either an Amazon balance or a charitable donation. Your participation will always help brands better make products and make Amazon ads more relevant. So you can do that if you want to. But then I got another opportunity called Mobi. It's a secret mystery shopping app. So basically, like I said in my last video, there are mystery shoppings, and they also have mystery shopping apps too, where you go to different, restaurants or stores, and you review their. Welcome back to another day here on a Tuesday. I want to thank you guys for rocking with me. We are coming up very soon in the next 2 or 3 weeks on the cash giveaway. So make sure that you go ahead and submit those entries because October 31st is the last day to submit any entries for creating the Halloween TikTok videos, 10 videos by it needs to be 50. It needs to be 50 views on the 10 videos, and you need to make sure that you use AI to generate those videos. If you don't use AI, sorry, I cannot give you the cash giveaway. But you would get $50 at the end of October if I approve it. But moving on to Uber testing testers. So basically, this is just another way of testing different digital products and earning money. And you can earn, a really good, decent amount of money from this. This is a little account that my friend has sent me to see how much money he has earned, with the program and all that. So it's really imperative that you do your due diligence um, to really earn as much money as you can with this, as you've seen with my friend. And I also have earned money from this as too. So you can go ahead and click on to become a tester, sign up with that, and you can just read a little bit about. You can get short staffed it. Now, the problem with this is that everybody's applying at once, and it's a lot of people. It's very competitive. So you have to really stand out from the crowd. You have to make sure you fill out all your application information as possible. Don't leave anything. If you had any prior experience with testing products or digital marketing, I would highly recommend and put that in their application because it's really getting competitive and a lot of people are applying and some people are being short staffed, meaning that you're going to be waiting for a long time for them to hear back from them. Just wanted to put that out there just so you know that when you apply, it's not an immediate entry process. But because it pays good money, it's because everybody's going to be running to the door trying to get in and trying to get this and test these products. Everybody's not going to be accepted into the program. And I tell you guys that over and over and over. Just because I present these opportunities doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to get into it. But that doesn't necessarily mean you shouldn't give up either. You have to keep applying. So go ahead and get verified with them. So then that way, once you start, if you've done a lot of digital marketing or you've done a lot of testing products, then you can add to that, add to your application, even write them a note saying I really want to get